Right now, I feel so lonely. I feel like SpongeBob when Gary's not there. You know Gary the snail? And he's meowing everywhere. Here, there, north, east, south, west on the map. And I feel like SpongeBob is just sitting in his pineapple on his own. That's how I feel. That's how lonely I am. A bit of milk, like a dash of milk. Lots of milk actually, because I like milk. It's got to be milky. Milky and sugar, because I'm like a 2-year-old when it comes to drinking tea. Have you ever had it when someone goes, oh my god, can you play guitar? And then they go, you're like, yeah, I'll play guitar. And then they go, what? What kind of guitar? And then you go, any kind of guitar. If it's got 6 strings and if it's tuned into the E tuning, doesn't matter. Because if it's got the strings, then anyone can play it. Then if you've been to Australia, send it up. Is that stretchier than usual? If I was a magician, I would totally make money for everybody and then give it to them. Because that would just end hunger. I should be a lecturer.